Hey, it's Mike with the 61 VW Beetle. Like and subscribe. I wanted to show something today, which is another tuning of my blinker. Basically, what happened was I needed, because of my setup with the trailer hitch thing for the snowflakes, to go 3 to 2. Brake lights, tail lights, and blinker, where the blinker has to interrupt the brake light. That worked great, but the regular relay didn't work right because the amps that get pulled have to be very consistent, otherwise it speeds up or slows down the relay. So what I initially did is I bought this thing, which is a adjustable relay. I timed it and it worked great, except that it doesn't make an audible noise, which was super annoying. So I would put the flasher on and you wouldn't hear that the flasher was on. So then what I did is I bought, it was cheap, it was only like $8 or $9. So I was like, well, let's try it. This is a CF13JL02 flasher for LED, where since it's LED, you don't know as much precisely what that amp draw is. And so what they do is they make the timing of the flashing not be related to the amperage draw. And so I wired this up, and I just wanted to show what it does. So now when I start up the, well, let's just turn on the ignition first. So before I had the timing exactly right, but the turn signal was silent. Now, okay, you can hear the fuel pump, but now listen to this. So you can hear that, and it's the right speed. I do still have to put the green cellophane, or whatever you want to call it, the green stuff over that blinker indicator. But the timing is perfect, and it makes the noise. And if I look back here, you know, everything still works great in terms of the blinker. So I think I'm actually going to switch it, and I'm gonna go away from the adjustable speed relay, which I just didn't know it didn't make a noise. You need a noise, otherwise you wind up leaving on your turn signal all the time. So rather than the Uno with these two little adjustable switches, I'm going with this one, which is the relay for LED. And that is my progress for the day.